Hello, welcome. My name is John Ogunwusi. This presentation is a data story that starts big and zoom in on youth unemployment in Nigeria. It is titled, Is Youth Unemployment Rate in Nigeria a Result of Laziness? The current president of Nigeria, Muhammadu Buhari, in a conference earlier this year, reported that Nigerian youth are lazy, uneducated, and want everything free. Unlike United States and most developed countries, Nigeria policy requires that college graduates serve a year before giving eligibility to earn a living. In other words, all college graduates work for the government of Nigeria at a very low wage. This presentation will shine some light on the unemployment among youth in Nigeria. This presentation, at the end of it all, will be useful for government policymakers, business owners, business organizations, non-governmental organizations, youth, educational institutions, and the general public. Is youth unemployment rate in Nigeria a result of laziness, truly? As a result of Nigeria's abundance of natural resources, most knowledgeable individuals envisage that Nigeria at some point in time will compete with other nations on economic and population level. However, over years, due to improper management of resources, corruption, ineffective planning, and the economic recession in late 2015 and early 2016, there has been a drastic increase in unemployment rate, especially among the youth in Nigeria. The growth I'm talking about, this is the increase in number of percentage of both population and unemployment. I'm going to talk about the spike and the recession. You can find this link very useful for your reading. Thank you. As you can see in this slide before me, in this chart, Nigerian population is growing every year. I started this visualization from 2010. The estimated population rate was about 158 million. But as we speak right now in 2017, the estimated population was over 190 million. You can see Nigeria is really growing at a very, very fast pace. What impact does population growth has on unemployment? This chart before me right now is showing the unemployment rate over time. Some blame the population growth in Nigeria for the increase in unemployment rate. However, as you can see in this chart, the population is growing at a steady pace in contrast to the unemployment rate in Nigeria. What is the major factor responsible for this? This slide before me shows the unemployment rate in Nigeria since 2011. In this chart, we see a significant increase in unemployment rate between the years 2011 and 2012, as well as 2015 and 2016 due to economic recession. The youth laziness is definitely not the blame for this, as you can see. It is purely because of corruption, improper planning, and the recession that wasn't really planned for. That is the main cause, as you can see from this chart. This chart before me now, what gender is mostly affected? There is always a question, is it the men? Is it the men or the women? But you can see from this chart, mostly the male are the most affected out of both gender. What age group are mostly affected? Here is a chart that shows the unemployment rate between the ages of 15 and 34 in comparison with the ages of 50, 54 and 65. You can see over time, mostly the youth are the most affected. Is experience responsible for this? Here we compare the unemployment rate of Nigeria between the ages of 25 and 34. This is the age where college graduate youth venture out on their own to start their life and raise a family. Adults of age 55 to 64 are almost retiring. But you can see it's like most organizations prefer experience over youthfulness. Youth are coming out of school, colleges with knowledge. They are fresh, with fresh minds, but yet most organizations want experience, and that is why most youth could not find a job. What does future hold for the youth in Nigeria? This chart represents the total labor force rate for Nigeria in comparison to the youth unemployment rate in Nigeria. We can see in this chart that the youth are at disadvantage, and this trend needs immediate attention. You can see the graph. Is youth unemployment rate in Nigeria a result of laziness? In my conclusion, as the unemployment rate in Nigeria continues to increase and the number of graduates coming out of higher institutions is also growing yearly, thereby adding to the population of the labor force, it was a belief in many quarters that the increase in population is the real reason for this canker. But available data from verifiable sources has shown that there is more to this issue of unemployment than population. In the late 2015 and early 2016, Nigerian economy went into recession, causing dwindling gross domestic product, high inflation and foreign exchange rate, relocation of many businesses out of Nigeria, such as Dunlop, they left Nigeria, Michelin, they were leaving MS. Recession, one thing about recession is recession does not come without warning. In the case of Nigeria, the indicators were there for us to learn from. But people are so entrenched in corruption, lack of planning, over-dependence on oil, neglect of agriculture, which is what we should be focusing on, and the inability of the government to diversify the economy and many other factors have contributed significantly to this phenomenon. Is youth unemployment rate in Nigeria a result of laziness? From what I've shown so far, probably not. Based on the insight from this chart, it is evident that youth, especially the age group 25 to 34, who are mostly affected, they are college graduates, are the most affected. They are seriously affected. In this regard, the government should create policies and programs to generate jobs, give incentives to business owners so that they can expand their business. They need to grow. Businesses need support. They need to grow so that they can create opportunities for the youth, and jobs will be readily available for them to choose from. Educational institutions, they need to partner, they need to work in hand so that youth, college graduates can have opportunity of internship where they can move from internship to full-time job opportunities. I think this is going to be very, very, very useful when organizations, institutions come together to have a cause for the youth. Lastly, youth, on the other hand, they have their own blame too. They need to look inward. Businesses alone cannot do it alone. They need to become business owners, look inward, become entrepreneurs, look for opportunities where there is no opportunity. You can always find opportunity. We are created to create utility for people. And with the right enabling environment, I think the sky is the limit for the youth, and Nigeria economy is going to grow. And the government needs to work with businesses, encourage youth, and the country is going to be better at the end of the day. Thank you.